everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Open up a web browser and into the URL box type in Poshmark.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you're logged into your main homepage for Poshmark, also make sure to log into your Poshmark account. And once you're logged in, go to the search box at the top of the screen and click on this listings drop down and click people. Now search for the person you'd like to block on Poshmark. You can type in the name of the person in the text box or their username. After you make a search for it, go ahead and open up the person's profile by clicking on their name, and then this will open up their profile. Now click on the three dots right next to the following drop down on the right hand side and click on block user. You'll be able to see this confirmation dialog box where you'll need to click on yes to block the person. So that's how you can easily block someone on Poshmark.com. If you want to unblock the user, you can click on the same three dots right next to following and click on unblock. So that was how you can easily block or unblock someone on Poshmark. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.